I have to be quiet because my boyfriend's sleeping. It's time for breakfast. I'm having my favorite. Snack. My boyfriend is crazy. Let's go bother him. I'm literally crying. Where are we going?
To the park.
To the park. Which park? You don't know. I'm preparing lunch and I feel a bit dizzy. I'm cutting up some tofu. Vegetable sprouts. I'm gonna fry them up. Sesame oil. I'm gonna see. I'm also going to prepare some salads, and it's gonna be like, ooh, fridge is open for some reason. It's gonna be an orange and lettuce and spinach and things like that salad. So it's gonna be mixed greens with orange, because I have this sad orange that we need to eat, and it's gonna go in. Adding coconut milk. And this is what it looks like. Yum. Just finished with my Halloween makeup, and I think it turned out pretty good. Can you guess who I am? Close up of the lids I put on my face for this. I think I can try and show you my outfit. So, you know, green tights. I think it turned out pretty good for the amount of time I had, for the things I had. Literally took this out of the street to put it on. So now I think we are going to go have pizza in this Italian place. So, and I drank coffee, that's why I'm movie of the night. It's your choice. Hope it's good. It's time for my I always put ginger in my tea. It's for my hormones. Nom, 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 nom. It looks so yummy.
Boo, boo, boo.